Hello everyone, this is the demo of our course project Carry On. We have basically made a shell using Python which is more advanced and we can perform all those commands that we can on the normal shell. Along with that we have made additional features as well that we'll explaining later on as we progress with the video. So I'll just run that shell. Now that we are inside the shell, I can just list out all of those. Inside this there's this old folder that we can see demo and old. So we will transferring these files from another to another location and using cp command. This is a directory and these are two files inside that. So let's say that we want to transfer it inside a new folder, mkdir new, and so we have created this new folder and we will just enter it, and inside that we can just run that cpi // and we are just transferring old folder. And since it is directory, it is asking that we should transfer all the content, yes, and another directory inside it. So we have copied all these folders. As you can see, inside old we have these transferred files and this voice.py and readme.txt. It is getting open, and so now we'll try to do this again, and let us see that since the files already exist, then what will be the nature. So yes, we want to copy all this file. Yes. So as you can see that we have got this instruction that the source file is older by 5 hours, the last time it was edited. So whether we want to overwrite it or we want to replace it. So let's say we don't wish to overwrite, and this is for another file free.png. If we wish to overwrite it, let's say yes. So the file has been replaced. Similarly, we can do for the other files as well. And then here we have all those the inside new folder we have all those files, and then we can just delete that directory if you want to, and it has been deleted. So yeah, thank you. So now we will present another feature that we have built on. The feature's name is Carry On. Basically the users can continue their work from where they left off, and all those applications, the files that were opened would be replicated to another system. And since we had only one machine available at our home, so we made the demo and tested our utilities thoroughly with the help of opening two terminals in different folders. And so now I'll just run that. Inside this, since we want the carry on feature, and since we want to be source, and here let's say that we want to 1 and 3. So those are the processes we want to copy to the other system. Go to the code and save your work. So basically I want to transfer find.py, and let's say I want to also transfer client.py. So those two files will be transferred, and we have got those two indexes and we want to transfer both of them. So I'll just enter 0 and 1. And now the next part is for readme.txt. So this is the readme.txt that we want to transfer, and enter the indices. So 0, that what we want to transfer, waiting for new connection. And here we will also at the receiver file we will also do the same process, and we would add carry on. So before we do it, let's just check these out, that we have made this transfer 1.2.json and transfer 2.json. This transfer 1.json basically consists of transfer 1.json basically consists of those files that are there at the source PC, and transfer 2.json consists of the files that will be at a particular location at the client PC. And as you can see from here that this is the transferred files, and this is currently empty. So now we'll be transferring it to carry on, and since this is PC, that is 127.0.1.1, and this is the password which has basically authentication. And as you can see now, all these two files have been opened from transfer files folder, and has been also opened readme.txt, and inside, if you come to transfer files, we have obviously all these files, and all the process has been completed. So we are again we can just enter another command at our shell. So yeah, it is working really fine. We have also indicated, other than sockets, gRPC to transfer those files very securely. So we will be now presenting that feature. So here we can just run python trace server.py, and here we will just run python free client.py, and we have assumed that we have received this transfer.json already from from the part we have already done here before, and we are just using gRPC to transfer it into these files, to transfer files folder over here. So we'll just click that link, and we have the file has been those files have been transferred. These two folders, one code file and one text editor. So inside that, this is the location, this is a new location, and here we have received both of these files, and so that is it. So gRPC is also working fine, and we have received the command that it is working. So this is a voice enabled shell which would really help the programmers by aiding their productivity.
Good morning. Hello on the other side. I am Jarvis, pleased to be here. How may I be of assistance to you?
IP address.
IP address of your system is 106.206.128.79. Do you have any other work?
Open Notepad.
Say that again, please.
Open
Do you have any other work?
Open Notepad. Open Notepad.
Do you have any other work?
Open command prompt.
Do you have any other work?
Open command prompt.
Do you have any other work?
Open GFG.
Do you have any other work?
Play music.
Say that again, please.
Play music.
Do you have any other work?
Play music.
Do you have any other work?
Play music.
Do you have any other work?
Open YouTube.
What should I search on YouTube?
Some good songs.
Do you have any other work?
Wikipedia computers.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, a computer is a machine that can be programmed to carry out sequences of arithmetic or logical operations automatically. Modern computers can perform generic sets of operations known as programs. Do you have any other work?
No. Exit.
Thanks for calling me up. Have a good rest of the day. Later.
So basically, we were able to play music from a folder, and we were able to search anything that we wanted on YouTube, and we can also open websites such as Facebook, Geeks4Gates, Stack Overflow. We were able to open a command prompt, and we can also open camera and a lot of other apps as well with the help of this. Thank you for your time.